I show you how to run your own local chain with 3 miners, 1 sharders, and the details regarding around that. So this is my local chain already running, and I'm gonna continue on that now, how you can use the CLI tools and what are the requirements to use this chain from your terminal, etc. So my chain is running perfectly fine. Okay, blocks are moving. Now the next thing is you need to start the zero DNS, because if you don't have your local DNS service, then how is your service is gonna know which network to connect to and what are the minor sharders in it. What I'm talking about is something similar to this. Okay, this is our DNS service, this running, I'm zero DNS with one network, and there is an API which tells us with what is the current minor sharder values in the given network. Okay, it's like 001, these are the sharders, these are minors. So in the zero DNS, similar thing, just clone the repo. I'm on master branch. Okay, and you have to, let me try poll. I don't think there is any change, already up to date. You can see the commands in the readme. This is build command, docker local bin build. So this will build. Well, this on my system this will happen pretty fast, since I've already done this thing quite a lot time, and it's taking most of the things from cache, using cache, you see, using cache. You will take some time, 2 3 5 minutes. Once the build is done, go to docker.local bin start. As soon as you do this, you will see localhost 1991 network. This is your 0GNS running, still showing 4 miners because I guess it's using old magic block, but it will keep updating itself with the network as the new blocks are getting available. So pretty soon it should get updated to 3, so it will return 3 URLs, but don't worry about it. By the way, by default the 0GNS is also set up to 4.1, and the local ones, don't worry, there's 198.18.73 is nothing but your local URL. You can simply click it and see this is my local, I mean the same as the localhost, so don't worry about this. Just wanted to show you what this 0DNS service is. So this is your 0DNS server running on 9091. Okay, so once you have your 0DNS running, just close it, no need to go again, I mean close it. Now we'll talk about blobbers later. We will talk about your zwallet CLI and zbox CLI. So let's say my network is running. You might be thinking that I can create a wallet now. So yeah, you can. Let me see what I have here. Let me remove the existing things. Okay, this wallet is my one network permanent wallet, so I'm not gonna remove, but you can assume that it's not there. Just think because the wallet actual file looks like this. This is just renamed version, so assuming wallet1 JSON is not there. Let's see what we have in our code.yaml, config.yaml. Right now I was using Fi network, so I'm gonna comment this one and I'm gonna uncomment this one. Well, this is again same, 198.18.090 is my local, so I mean don't worry, this is same as localhost. You see, 0DNS, my local 0DNS. Okay, you can use localhost here as well, but this is, I think there are some issues with on the iOS side with using localhost. It doesn't allow, so that's why we are using IP. I'm not sure why we are using, but this works. So this is the same block worker. I mean this config is there already in the zbox CLI and zwallet CLI. Just remove the whatever existing 5 or network 1 network and use your local. Okay, give the block worker as local, and the rest settings you guys already know in the zbox CLI videos. This is a signature schema, minimum submit, etc. Just keep it as it is. So setting done. Now if I call the faucet command, I mean obviously I don't have a wallet, so it will try to create a wallet. This is nothing but faucet called in a loop 2 times, so it created my wallet. You can call the normal faucet, don't worry, just call any command you want to call. Since this is a new wallet, I call the faucet first. Created wallet, created read pool, it must be calling the faucet. Yeah, faucet success. and if you see, the wallet.json is back. This is my local wallet, the local network wallet. Get balance, and I have 2 tokens. Nice, nice USD amount. So that's it, setting up the 0 DNS, and I have my local network connected to my wallet CLI, both the Z wallets and Z wallets. If I do list allocations, I have nothing because we haven't created an allocation. We don't even have blobbers on local yet. We will cover that in the next video. For now, the minimum requirements are these, that you should let me show you. You should have your 0 DNS running. You should have your miner sharder running. So sharder miner makes it chain, and 0 DNS allows your other components to talk with the chain. You just give them 0 DNS URL, and then the 0 DNS tell them which network to use, which miner sharder to connect. That's it. Okay, I can show you here. List I guess ls miners, it was here, ls miners, yeah, it's here. See, localhost 7172 ls sharders. This is my Zvox CLI, by the way, and Zvox CLI. You guys already know how to make and build it. They have their own separate videos. So, and this is ZCN folder. Ignore these three. This is my working setup. So Zvox CLI, Zvox CLI, ZCN folder. Let me show you my config one more. This is commented. Don't worry about this. This is commented. This is the one I'm using. These are the one I'm using, and I'm connected to my local network. Plain and clear. Thank you guys. I will cover the blobbers and the other parts in the next video.